Hey everyone, I wanted to give a brief tutorial today on how to access the data dashboards for degrees and certificates and graduates at Coastline for your program review. Now, while we have the link embedded into the program review template, if it's not active, please follow these steps and we can get you to that information you need. So you'll scroll down from the main website to institutional effectiveness link. Based on the institutional effectiveness page, in the middle of the page, we have a data dashboards dropdown. At the data dashboard dropdown, you're going to select the degrees and certificates awarded under student achievement. And within that, you can look at the trends over time as a college. And this is of the degrees or certificates awarded. And so when you want to look at your program level, you'll select program review. You can then select your program that you want to review, such as, say, for example, business and management. We will look at this information. You can show how many associate degrees, how many certificates, and a detail of that information, and even a detail of the actual degree information. To gather that information and save it in your program review, you'll select download. You can save it as an image, and that will be saved to your computer, and you can upload that directly into your program review. If you want to go further detail about the students who are earning these degrees and certificates, you can select graduates by demographic. And while degrees and certificates awarded are duplicates, because some students can earn like 2 or 3 degrees and certificates, looking at unduplicated headcount of graduates is where we want to look at the student demographic data. So we'll look at that information over time, and you can also, similar to the other dashboard, select program review and then look at that information. And then in that information, you can then filter and say, okay, for example, in business management, we see these are how many graduates they had and the demographic variables, including our special populations. And again, if you'd like to add that to your view, you're more than welcome to. Just press download and save that picture. All right, everyone. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you so much.